Hi everyone, here we are in week 5 already. I've really enjoyed learning with you guys and sharing with you in this class. I'm going to apologize up front. My daughter and dog are upstairs. I've been trying to do this with no one home, but forget that. So I apologize up front if you hear a lot of background noise. So this is the age where kids are definitely learning their dislikes and likes in food. So we kind of have to start to get creative on ways to get them to eat without being picky. I am a mom of a picky child myself, and I'm tired of cooking the same few meals over and over and over each week. So this was kind of a fun assignment and gave me some other ideas of things I can make her, which was great because now I can try something different and I don't get sick of eating the same thing. Um, so at the preschool age, children should be approximately eating about 1,400 calories to sustain a healthy diet. I suggest using the website myplate.com, and it gives you this awesome little diagram of proportions and what should be included in everyone's diet, but kids as well. So you have your grains, your protein, your fruits, your veggies, and a little bit of dairy. So that's a great thing to use, and it reminds you of what to include in their meals. So fruits and veggies are always the important food groups to include in your child's diet, but protein is going to help keep them full and keep them regular with fiber. As having a kid that used to have trouble using the bathroom, I tried to add grains and fiber into her diet, even like Cheerios as a snack or something like that, just to help with her digestive system. I focus on using natural fruits that don't contain a lot of sugar, such as, straight fresh strawberries, blueberries, bananas, anything like that. I try to avoid the cups or the canned fruit that comes in heavy syrup because that has a ton of added sugar and kind of takes away of the healthy nutritional value of the fruit. Maybe use frozen fruit instead. That's better if you want to make it last longer because sometimes I know with just us, we don't eat fruit that quickly. So the frozen is always a good option because you could take it as you use it. So for 3 meals, we're going to go over for breakfast, which I thought was a great idea, and it's simple, easy, and quick if you're like me, a single mom rushing out the door every day. A great one was a yogurt parfait. I love that idea. So you take non-fat vanilla yogurt, some low sugar granola, like I usually buy I think it's blueberry and flax at Stop and Shop, with that, and then some fresh fruit. Again, you can use your blueberries, your strawberries, or your frozen one. Just take it out the night before so it's thawed and doesn't, kill their teeth to chew on it. So I love that for breakfast. For lunch, I thought it was a great idea to do a chicken wrap. So grill some chicken, have it set in the fridge, put it on a whole wheat wrap with some lettuce, maybe a little honey mustard, some cheddar cheese to avoid the American cheese that's more processed. Cheddar cheese is more natural, so that would be great. That avoids getting extra saturated fats and everything in their diet that they don't really need. With like a cup of some sliced up cucumbers to hit more of their veggies. This allows for hitting up all those great sections in the My Plate. For dinner, this one, again, sick of cooking the same dinners, but I love the idea of shish kebabs because you get creative and kids just love things on a stick, right? It's fun. So shish kebabs, you can use chicken, you can use steak, put some veggies on it, peppers, onions, zucchini, squash, mix a side of brown rice. Perfect. And then a little side salad. My daughter loves salad, so some romaine lettuce, maybe some cheese, a few little croutons, and a dressing of their choice, maybe like balsamic, just because it's not heavy and too much fat. So yeah, that's great. So the best way to get kids to try different things is to get creative. Involve them in the process. Ask them something like, what would they like to try? That way it's their idea of something they didn't have, and then reward them for trying it. And maybe if you get them involved in helping you make it, it's fun for them. They love to help, so it's a great way to get them to try different things. Yeah, it's a challenge. It is a challenge, but there is fun ways to get them to do it and try and just encourage them. Starting them off early to try different things keeps that process going to hopefully carry that on as they get older. You know, I always told my daughter, just try it. If you don't like it, you don't have to eat it, but at least try it. And start with a small amount. It doesn't seem as overwhelming if you're just giving them a little taste of it instead of them seeing this big old pile of something they don't think they're going to like. So it's fun. Have a great week.